In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to the header of your Wix website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to personalize your site or simply want to freshen up its appearance, incorporating a striking image into your header can make a significant difference. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open the Wix website editor. To do this, navigate to your site from the Wix dashboard and click on Edit Site. If you're new to Wix, the interface might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry. Once you get used to it, you'll find it's quite intuitive. You're on your way to designing a visually impressive site. Now, once you're in the site editor, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen and find the media option. It's typically represented by a small icon looking like a picture, making it easy to spot. Clicking media opens up a treasure trove of images and assets you can use to spruce up your site. If you already have an image in mind that you want to use, click on Upload Media. This option allows you to drag and drop your chosen image from your computer directly into the Wix editor. Having your unique image ensures a personalized touch to your website. Just make sure the image is of high quality, as a clear, attractive picture adds to the professionalism and beauty of your site. For those of you who might not have a specific image ready, Wix offers a fantastic collection of free images tailored for every need. So next, click on Free Wix Images. Browsing through this collection, you will find a broad range of images, from professional stock photos to creative designs. Choose the one that resonates with your brand or the message you want to convey. After selecting your preferred free Wix image, it's time to make it part of your header. Once your image is uploaded or selected, it's critical to adjust its size to fit your header appropriately. Click and drag the edges of the image to resize it. Position it perfectly within the header section to achieve a seamless look that complements your site's aesthetics. Remember, designing is an iterative process. Feel free to play around with the size and position until the header looks just right to you. A well-placed image not only enhances aesthetics but also can engage visitors, drawing them further into your content. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to add an image to your Wix website header. Give it a shot and watch as your website transforms with its new visual identity. Thanks for joining us today, and happy editing.